वेलकम। इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे अबाउट टॉप 10 कॉमर्स कॉलेजेस इन कोलकाता। अभी सब कॉलेजेस का फॉर्म्स निकला है, सो यू मस्ट बी वेरी वरीड अबाउट विच कॉलेजेस टू अप्लाई। डोंट वरी, इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे अबाउट बहुत अच्छा कॉलेजेस एंड ऑल्सो अबाउट एवरेज कॉलेजेस। एक कॉलेज का ग्रेड, एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, सीट्स, प्रीवियस ईयर कट ऑफ, फीस एंड प्लेसमेंट्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। So be very attentive while watching this video. First, let's talk about St. Xavier's College. St. Xavier's College is a very good college. इसका जो grading है वो A++ है. Now let's talk about eligibility. तो you must have English and Maths or Business Maths or Stats and also any other 2 subjects with a score of above 60%. So you need to have these 4 subjects with a score of 60%, and in that 4 subjects, English and Maths or Business Maths is compulsory. Now let's talk about seats. There are 1180 seats and also 700 seats in the morning section for boys. So you must be thinking that there are a lot of seats, but actually number of applicants in the previous year was 23,000. So 23,000 number of applicants and near about 2,000 seats. So it's a tough competition. Now let's talk about previous year cutoff. Actually the cutoff varies according to demand and supply. In the previous year, there were 2 merit lists for the morning section and 2 merit lists for the evening section. The minimum cutoff in the morning section was 88% and for the evening section was 92%. Now let's talk about the fees. Obviously the fees is much higher. It's not a fully government aided college or something. So it's 1.5 lakh approx. Let's talk about placements. Yes, they provide good placements. 4.5 lakh per annum is the average salary they claim in their websites. 40 to 50% students get placed. So next comes Goenka College. It's a A-grade college. It requires 75% in aggregate. Aggregate means best of 4 and 60% in accounts. Total number of seats is 549. Among these 549 seats, 180 seats are in the morning session and 369 in the day session. So the previous year cutoff was 94% and the fee structure is 3,060 per year. Let's talk about placement. Only 7 to 8% students got placed in the previous year. So we have talked about 2 colleges till now, St. Xavier's College and Goenka College, and both of them are very good colleges and have a very high cutoff. Now let's shift to a little bit downward. Let's talk about Hiramachandra College, which is also called as South City College. It's a B+ college. What is the eligibility criteria? 70% in aggregate, which means the best of 4, and 65% in related subject. Now, what is meant by related subject? Related subject is nothing but it's the subject that you are going to do honors in, like accounts. And if you don't have accounts, it can be business, economics. It can be related to account subject. And what is the total number of seats? 600 seats in accounting, finance, and 150 in accounting and marketing. So total number of seats in Hiramachandra is 750. So the previous year cutoff was 80.9%. Fees is 5,640 per year. Let's talk about placements. 7.2% people got placed. Next comes Bhawanipur Education College. Now people will say a lot of things about this college, but it has a very good infrastructure, students, atmosphere, it has very good faculty, and it is worth mentioning. So the grade of this college is B. The eligibility criteria is 50% in aggregate, which means the best of 4, and 45% in accounts or related subjects. So total number of seats, the total number of seats are 2,500. Previous year cutoff, no such cutoff, must clear eligibility and then apply. Hopefully you will be done with. What is the fee structure? Fee structure is a little bit high. It's 47,000 per year. What about placements? Some companies do visit, but placements are unreliable. Next, let's go to Jaipuria College. It's again a B graded college. The eligibility criteria is 70% in aggregate and 70% in accounts or economics. The Jaipuria College is divided into actually 3 sessions. The morning session is for girls. It has 287 seats. The day session is co-ed. It has 145 seats. And the evening is for boys. It has 361 seats. So if we add them up, we get more or less approximately 793 seats. So the previous year cutoff for the morning session was 80%. Day session it is 87%. Evening session it is 80%. And the fees is very minimum. It's 2,680. Now some companies in placements do visits, but this is unreliable again. Now let's talk about Bangavashi College. Bangavashi College is again a B graded college. It requires 50% in aggregate and 45% in related subject. Total number of seats is 500. According to previous year students, the previous cutoff was close to 65%. So this is based on the previous year students' testimonials. And what is the fees? The fees is 5,085 per year. About placements, it's very narrow opportunities are there. Now let's talk about Umesh Chandra College. It's again a B graded college. Requires eligibility as 50% in aggregate and 45% in related subjects. Seats is 1000 plus. It has 1000 plus intake capacity. According to previous year students, it was actually near 65% again. The fee structure is 3,770 per year. About placements, it is not so good. It has narrow opportunities. Now let's talk about a girls' college which is very famous, which is Shri Shikshayatan College. It is graded A. The eligibility is 50% in aggregate and 45% in accounts or related subject. Now, about seats, it is again divided into two parts. The BCom morning has 400 seats, BCom evening has 200 seats. So it is 600 seats approx. Cutoff is high in the morning. It is 75% to 78%, it varies. In the evening, it is 70%. Fees, it is a little high, but it's fine, 25,880 per semester. And about placements, it is narrow opportunities in placements. Now the next college is Dinabandhu Andrews College, which is graded B. Now the eligibility criteria is 50% in best of 4 and at least 45% in related subjects. It has a total of 160 seats. The cutoff in the previous year was 79.4% and the fee structure is 15,330 per year. Placements, it's not so good. Now let's talk about Maulana Azad College. Maulana Azad College is a grade A college. Eligibility 60% in aggregate and 60% in related subject. It has a total of 70 seats. Cutoff was around 78% in the previous year. Fees, it has a very minimum fees. It is 1,275 per year. Placements, not so good. Prafulla Chandra College, grade is B+. Eligibility is 50% in aggregate, 45% in related subjects. Total number of seats is 885. According to previous year students, it is again, the cutoff may fall to 60%. What is the fee structure? It is 3,600 per year, and about placements, it is not so good. The next college is City College. It is a graded B+ college. Eligibility is 55% in aggregate and 60% in accounts. Total number of seats are 300. Cutoff is around 65%, and the fee structure is 2,680 per year. Placements, not so good. Now let's talk about again City College of Commerce and Business Administration. It is a graded B college. 55% in aggregate and 45% in related subjects. Total number of seats is 908. Cutoff is around 65%. The fees is 6,000 per year. Placements, it is not so good. So that was all. I hope you have got a fair idea about colleges and their cutoffs. But this time the cutoff may rise because West Bengal board has given a lot of marks. So we are estimating that the cutoff will rise by say 5% for each colleges. So you are required to apply in as much college as you can. जितना हो सके अप्लाई करो. फॉर्म्स का प्राइस बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, ये अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 200 का है ईच कॉलेज का. सो जितना हो सके अप्लाई करो, ठीक है, जितना हो सके. एंड वन मोर थिंग, प्लीज़ शेयर दिस वीडियो, ओके, क्योंकि बहुत लोग को गाइडेंस नहीं मिलता है कि कौन सा कॉलेज में जाना है, कौन सा कॉलेज में नहीं जाना है. सो दिस विल हेल्प देम अ लॉट. सो प्लीज़ शेयर टू द स्टूडेंट्स हु विल बी अप्लाइंग BCom for BCom in Kolkata. And also subscribe to this channel because we will provide this kind of videos a lot. So from now on we are going to provide informative videos on colleges. So do subscribe and please share this so that everyone can get that.